Jungle Scout versus Selleramp. You must watch this video because I have compared both of this software, both of this tool, and I have made a report and I have mentioned the pros and cons about both of these softwares and the tools. So let's get started. Jungle Scout and Selleramp are both tools designed to assist sellers on e-commerce such as Amazon, right? But they have a difference in features, pricing, and usability. Here's a brief comparison. Now, first of all, we will talk side by side. Jungle Scout offer a suitable tool for products, product research, keyword research, and sales analytics. Selleramp focus on providing analytic and insight to help seller optimize their Amazon advertising campaign, right? So as you have already come to know that both of these softwares is used for a different kind of purpose. So just make sure choose according to your purpose. Jungle Scout feature include product database, product tracker, keyword scout, and more. On the other hand, Selleramp offer features like campaign analytics, keyword optimization, and competitor tracking. Jungle Scout provide insight into the product demand, competition, and profitability. Offer different pricing plan based on the levels of features needed, right? So Jungle Scout has a lot of features. On the other hand, Selleramp helps seller improve their Amazon PPC, which is pay per click, on their advertisements campaign, right, to increase sales and profitability. Provides data driven recommendation for optimizing advertising spend. Pricing may vary based on the levels of features and support required, right? And you can see Jungle Scout is widely used and trusted by many Amazon sellers because the very key difference is Selleramp is used to advertise the product, right? On the other hand, Jungle Scout is used to find a niche product which can sell on the Amazon platform. When deciding between the Jungle Scout and Selleramp, consider your specific needs as an Amazon seller. If your primary need tool for product research and sales analytics, Jungle Scout may be the best fit for you. However, if you're focusing on optimizing your Amazon advertising campaign, Selleramp might be the most suitable. Additionally, it is a good idea to read reviews and everything, and of course, you need to review before purchasing anything. I hope you found this video very useful.